And like I said, I went ahead and got the peachy orange liner because, you know, Wet n Wild people were so mad because they would run out of, they would say it was out of stock, and then the next day they put stuff back in stock. And, you know, people aren't going to take a chance that this box set is not going to be available. And so people just went ahead and ordered the box set, and then the next day they put the brush back in stock, and then the following day they put the nail polishes back in stock. And people just really pissed about that. So, and I am too. I was too. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my nails. I'm on this these blood thinners, and my nails are not growing. And probably because I haven't been taking my vitamins. You take it religiously twice a day, and I have not been taking it like that because I just haven't had time to do my pill box. I got extra pills now for my heart, and had to get a bigger pill box, and I just hadn't had time. But now, thank God, it's vacation. I got, you know, 3 months to myself, and this week is just taking care of my daughter. But so yeah, so my nails are just not growing like they did. I usually take the biotin, and they're not growing. So yeah, so next week I will do one of the other collections in the Flight to Fancy. With this look, I would most likely use either the pink or the orange nail polish, but I just left it. I was trying to do like an emerald nail polish, emerald type. Since I'm not out as much, I did go after my daughter came out of surgery. I had to get her some stuff, and so I went to the local Walgreens and I found the collection. So it kind of pisses me off that I paid the shipping to get it from the company. Just really pissed about that they made you pay extra for shipping. I guess, you know, I was thinking about calling back and maybe, I don't know who's there when, but I know there's different girls, and one of them said we'll see what we can do, but obviously I didn't get that girl. So so yeah, that just pissed me off. But I didn't go out for Mother's Day. We celebrated it last week, but we did get takeout, and I passed by another Walgreens because my daughter is on a very, very heavy meds. It's a, you know, a controlled substance, and so they want her to set it off with, you know, the controlled substance, and then something from the store, and she can't have hard pills, so she has to get children's Motrin. So I keep buying the biggest bottle I could find, and they didn't have it at that other Walgreens that I went to when we went to go get some takeout and bring it home. So I don't know. I haven't been to any of the other Walgreens. I just, you know, I'm just home taking care of my daughter. So yeah, that pisses me off. I could have saved on shipping. Shrinkle, I think today, released some nude liquid lipsticks in a new formula. And they're all pinky nudes and like pinky rosy. Like she's got a pink with a touch of lavender. She's got like a grayish lavendery color, and then she's got a really deep plum brown color, and then she's got like a rosy brown color, and I think a more warmer toned color. Maybe like they all look like a nudish with some pink in it. Really pretty. So she released those. I most likely am not gonna get them yet, because, you know, I got so much stuff between last month and this month, and, you know, gotta pace it out. Hey, it was Mother's Day this weekend, so that's okay. And like I said, when income tax come, it's like, yay, free for all. But anyway, so yeah, so, you know, that's that, and just, you know, that's that. I will see you next week. I know that Monday and Tuesday I have appointments. Thank goodness I bought this warranty on the car. I finally brought it in. There's new people there though, which makes me nervous because I just you know, I trusted the guy that was there. He took care of me. And now it was a little different, and I had to wait a long time for them to do everything. And then before it was approved, like before he would let me go home and call me and say it's approved, but they would not let me go home. They would not give me my car back until it actually said I've been approved, because they want them like you pay if you're not approved. They'll make you pay just to look at the car. So I was there, you know, all afternoon, and so I have to go back, and then I have to see my ENT. He wants to see the disc. Supposedly, he could find nothing wrong with my ears when they did the CAT scan, but I was just reading the radiology report. He wants to actually see the disc, so I have that. So, you know, this week I'm just home, just taking care of my daughter. You know, today I'm doing this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean my brushes because I'm almost out of brushes. I haven't cleaned my brushes. I don't know. I might have cleaned it during spring break in March. I don't know. But I think I'm down to my last foundation brush. Then I gotta do the desk. So yeah. So we'll finish the new Flight to Fancy series. I can almost guarantee you that at the end of August we will be seeing the Halloween stuff. And thank God they've been making this stuff available online. Last year I flipped out over this item I couldn't find, and then it wound up showing up at one HEB, not all of them, just one, and then it wound up being on the internet. You could buy it also. Guarantee you by the end of August you will start seeing the Halloween stuff. And so yeah, so that's that, and I will see you next week.